today I'm gonna be opening up this Play-Doh set. It contains one little Play-Doh, and I got 3 jars of Play-Doh, which I had this one a long time ago. So me and my aunt decided to buy 2 more while one comes in this set. So I still owe her money anyway, so let's get it. I don't know what to pull this thing. All my stuff. Got a stamper. Got a cutter.
Ooh, it matches your blouse.
And a roller. So now we're just gonna keep these aside and open these. Just press this one open. Oh my gosh! How do I do this? Hey everyone! So I already said that. You can see how this Play-Doh is much more smaller than this one because it comes in a little mini set. We're gonna be making for my little thing. If you watch the movie video, I lucky I got this, and I gotta pull this thing. Here's a little Play-Doh inside. I want to take out a little bit of Play-Doh. Press this down. Press it. Oh. I want to do a stamp, so I'm gonna make sure this rolls out big. So there's some accessories back here. I'm gonna press. And let's see. Oh my gosh! That's so cute. I'm not sure if I can cut out this thing.
Play with her?
That's okay.
Hola.
I have no idea what I'm making. I was just trying to cut it.
You want to give her some of the Play-Doh? Can she play with some?
I take out some of the blue. My orange. That was a long time ago, so you can just spread it out. It was a long time ago. That's what I was trying to do. I'm gonna just... Oh, I wanted to make a cake.
Tana's friend only speaks Spanish. She doesn't speak English well. The thing that kids have in common is playing together. So you're making, wow, that's pretty.
I'm making one with.
Let me see what you made. Oh, very nice. Wow.
I'm trying to make something.
Pretty. What did Kitana make?
I'm making one more. Isn't it cute?
Wow.
Look at her dress. I'm trying to take her out. Especially this is gonna be hard work. Ta-da!
Wow. Nice. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Joya.
Oh, nice.
Okay?
Kitana? Say me llamo Kitana.
I know what that means. What is your name? And
Yeah.
she said...
I asked her what is her name, ¿Cómo te llamas? And she said, Joya.
Her name's Joy?
Joya.
Okay. Hopefully I can...
You say me llamo Kitana.
So, hola. River went to...
Kitana is trying to speak Spanish up in here. What are you saying, Kitana?
I saying, do you ever go to Sweet Japan?
Now speak the Spanish that you were saying.
So you guys are.
Those are pretty, Kitana. I like those.
Yeah. It's my style.
So you have, what do you have there?
Oh, I have gumdrops, egg, and some fries. I
Oh,
was
do you
just
know that those gumdrops, they look like potato tots, like tater tots. I don't know if you know tater tots. They look just like tater tots. And Joya's gumdrops, they look like gums, like bubble gums.
Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna.
So this is what Kitana and Joya made so far. These are the things they made.
I wanted to make a hamburger, but I'm gonna make bread sliced in four. But if it looks like
Oh, you're making a lot of food.
yeah, just like Joya. She puts her.
Joya is making gumdrops.
Yeah.
More gumdrops.
And I was making gumdrops. Ah, come on. I would have to use. All the cans are empty. All the cans are empty. Done.
Awesome. What did you make? That looks nice. A whole plate of gumdrops. What are you up to, Kitana?
I was just trying to make a drizzle on my pancake. Like some syrup.
Awesome. So you both have a plate of gumballs now. Right? Orange.
So I made some eggs,
and
gumdrops,
some cake.
I made some toast.
Wow, look at that. That's nice. It's nice, right?
And with some fries, but this kind of looks like beans, so I'm gonna make it as a healthy breakfast.
Great.
Alright. Yeah. We're gonna pack up the Play-Doh and play some cards. Huh? Yeah, we can play with it if you want, but not. How about we play another Play-Doh? Oh gosh, Aud, you are gonna be lucky. No one don't. This is spaghetti and meatballs making from my aunt. And this is pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. I made the sauce. She made the rest. So I hope you love my video.
She's asking if she can make something too.
Oh yeah. Wanna make something out of this? Sure. Joya, you want us to pull up this now? Is that okay? Oh, Freshy's video.
She wanted to video her.
Look how they write the word love. L. Oh, I like the smell of that hilarious food.
Her dad is making food. Smells good.
Something smells super good.
Because your dad's making
Just like the ribs. Oh my god, This is soda pop. Wanna drink? This is gummy. Howdy. Alright, but this is so valuable. In my hand.
Okay.
This is Tootsie Cutesy. This is Mandy Candy Coin. And this is Marshmallow Swirl. My friends just left and I'm gonna pack up now. So you're gonna see me just pack up and then we're gonna close the video. Bye! Thanks for watching.